Hello, my name's Alan, and I have 4 kids. My first is my daughter Eve. My second child is my son, Ronnie, who just turned 9 a couple months ago. Both kids I had before I met my beautiful, wonderful wife, Jamie. She also has 2 kids of her own, Haley, who is 14 years old, but she also has a son who is 7. His name is Mason. So together, we have 4 kids. Until one day...
Honey, I have something to tell you. I'm pregnant.
Babe, you're so funny.
Oh, really?
Go back to bed.
We're gonna have a baby.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
You mean like another one, like a human baby?
Yes.
Oh, no!
I love you.
Look at you. Oh, we have another baby. That's right, everybody. Our little bun should be popping out around the middle of December. Yeehaw!
There's something else?
No.
You said there should be something on it.
Yeah, that's okay.
What do you mean?
I'll tell you in a minute. It'll go together.
Oh my gosh. Is that real?
It's real.
When did you do this?
Seriously.
Oh my gosh.
Was born and raised in town. We had families and things like
Good
that. So
stick
part of
in the
it we
middle.
struggle with is have other
You're
people
pregnant.
maybe.
Are you pregnant? Are you pregnant? Oh my God! Oh, thank you, God! She's pregnant! This was a great surprise! Oh, thank you, God! Thank you, thank you. Oh my God!
So I just want to thank you for sharing this special moment with us, and please keep us in your prayers.